Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Redis caching with Node and Express step by step clearly. First, ensure you have Node.js and Express installed on your machine. Open your terminal and create a new directory for your project. Navigate into the new directory. Initialize a new Node.js project by running the command npm init. Install Express by running npm install Express. Next, install the Redis client for Node.js with the command npm install Redis. You will also need to install Redis on your machine if you haven't already done so. Once Redis is installed, run the Redis server with the command Redis server. Now, create a new file named app.js in your project directory. Open app.js in your code editor. Begin by requiring the necessary modules at the top of the file. Add const express equals require express to import Express. Add const redis equals require Redis to import the Redis client. Next, create an instance of the Express application by adding const app equals express. Now, connect to the Redis server by creating a Redis client instance. Add const client equals redis.createClient to set up the Redis client. Handle the Redis client connection by using client.on connect equals console.log connected to Redis. Set up a middleware to parse JSON data by adding app.use express.json. Create a new route for your application using app.get/data req res equals. Inside the route, check if the data is cached by using client.get mydata data equals. If cached data exists, send it back in the response. If not, simulate fetching data from a database or a slow operation. Once data is retrieved, store it in Redis by using client.ctext mydata. Finally, send the data in the response with res.json data. Test your caching by running the server using app.listen 3000 equals console.log server running on port 3000. Open your browser and navigate to http://localhost 3000/data to see the cached response. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.